Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem encountered when working with matrices in Excel. So, picture this. You have a matrix of numbers, and you want to solve a system of equations using a submatrix without manually writing it out. How can we tackle this problem effectively? Now, let's talk about the solution. By using Excel 365's CHOOSECOLS and CHOOSEROWS functions, we have a neat trick up our sleeves. Take the formula equals CHOOSECOLS, CHOOSEROWS C4, G7, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, for 5. This clever combination allows us to select specific columns and rows from the given array to get the desired submatrix. Pretty cool, right? Building on that, another handy formula to remember is equals CHOOSEROWS, CHOOSECOLS C4, G7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4. This one takes the concept a step further by choosing rows first and then columns, providing a different perspective on how to invert a particular submatrix effortlessly. It's like magic for your Excel spreadsheets. In summary, solving the problem of inverting a specific submatrix in Excel can be made much simpler with the power of CHOOSECOLS in CHOOSEROWS functions. Remember these formulas, and you'll be maneuvering through matrices like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel tips and tricks.